Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make ramen noodles with a scrambled egg, or mixed egg, or however you want to call it. It's not going to be the normal egg with ramen noodles. It's going to be a little bit different. So let me get started. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to open up the ramen noodles. So once I open up the ramen noodles, I'm just going to go ahead and place the ramen noodles inside of the water like that. Then I'm going to pour in the crunchies like that. And then next I'm just going to take the seasoning packet and put the seasoning packet inside of the water. Now the reason why I'm putting it in the water now is so that the flavoration can permeate the noodles, as well as add flavoration to the egg. So this is going to be a chicken flavored egg ramen noodle soup. Absolute goodness. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this in there. And so once that's going on, I'm just going to grab a fork, or if you have some thongs, take your thongs, and flip the ramen noodle block over, just like that. This is going to assist with the cooking of the ramen noodle block. So I'll put it in there like that. Now while this is starting to cook, I'm going to separate it. Now it's important that you add the egg at the right time. You don't want to add it too late or too early, because if you add it too early, it will be cooked too fast. And if you add it too late, it won't be cooked enough. So right now I'm just going to add some green onion for flavoration purposes. And then I'm going to go ahead and crack the egg, and I'm going to mixerate it inside of a bowl like this. So it's in this bowl. I'm going to mixerate it really quick. And I'm going to pour the egg on the side. It's important that you pour it on the side. And when you pour it in, if the egg is cold, it's going to slow the boil. I'm just going to go ahead and take a fork, and I'm just going to shift the noodles just a little bit, just to get them breaking up a little bit. Now the egg is inside of here. You may not be able to see it right now, but it's inside of there, and it cooks faster when it's scrambled up. Faster than it would if I just placed the egg inside. So it's in there. I'm just going to spin the ramen noodles around just to get the heat circulated within the pot. So the egg should be done full with flavoration. Now look at this egg. Do you see that egg? It's completely done. It has the chicken flavoration. And I'm just going to go ahead and grab a bowl. So give me 1 second while I grab a bowl. So I grabbed a bowl, and I'm going to go ahead and turn the fire off. And then I'm going to take my thongs, and I'm just going to go ahead and get the ramen noodles inside of here. Look at the pieces of egg that's going in there. Nice pieces of chicken flavored eggs. So I'm placing this in there. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Put that in there. Now, some people like the scrambled egg version better than the version where you just drop the egg in. And they like it a little bit better because it's has an even consistency all the way through. A solid consistency. That's what people are liking. So I'm going to place the egg inside of the bowl. Like this. Now, if you want all of the egg, I suggest you get a spoon with holes in it and scooping the egg up like this. That way you're able to get all the egg and all the green onions Just like that. And that's how you make ramen noodles with scrambled egg and green onion. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.